Hey guys, what's up? It's Raven here. In about 2 hours, I'll be uploading another theory video. However, if you want to see and read my theory before it's even been uploaded, you can go to my community on the Amino app. Quick disclaimer, this is not a promo for Amino. The Amino app allows for you to join communities based on your interests. There's an Undertale community, a Minecraft Diaries community, a FNAF community, also who's excited for Sister Location? I know I am. I can almost 100% guarantee you guys that if there's something you're interested in, there's a community for it on Amino. In these communities, you can write blog posts, host polls, post fan art, chat with other members. It's pretty cool. And if by chance there isn't a community for something you're interested in, you can create your own community using the Amino Creator and Manager app, otherwise known as ACM. Anyway, I have created my very own Raven the Singing Nerd community. All you have to do to find it is go to Explore in the regular Amino app, not ACM, and type in Raven the Singing Nerd, and you should have no trouble in finding it. Once you get to my community, you can go ahead and join and read my newest Minecraft Diaries theories. Also, don't worry about any possible grammar or spelling mistakes, because all of those will be fixed once I record the actual video. Anyway, that is all for this announcement. I hope you guys will go and check out my community on Amino. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.